That education, there are Jahantara Prapti, and there are 8,400,000 different forms of Deha. Which one he is going to get? Nobody is serious about it. He thinks things will go on like this. I am very free to do anything. That is it. Mudha. Mudha rascal. Duskitino Mudha. They will never hear the instruction of Bhagavad Gita. They will do whatever he likes and interpret in a different way. इसलिए भगवान बोल रहे हैं नमांग दुष्कृतिनो मूढ़ा प्रबद्धन्ति नरः. He could take the instruction of Bhagavad Gita and make his life perfect. But because he is mudha and full of sinful activities, he will not do it. Although he is very proud of his material knowledge, he has no value. Because he is dependent on the laws of material nature. What his knowledge is has. Suppose a very big man of this material world, he commits some sin. Does it mean that because he has got big qualification, he will be saved from the laws? No. He must suffer. Mama Maya Durattvaya. You cannot avoid even this material laws. Oh, how can I avoid the nature's law? Mama Maya Durattvaya. Very, very deep. But still they are thinking, oh, we are independent, we can do anything. That one Murad.
Mama eva papadante maya metam
Tarante. This is the position. Therefore our propaganda is that you take Krishna and be Krishna conscious and then you will be happy. This is our propaganda. We haven't got to manufacture anything. We have to simply repeat what Krishna has said. That's all. Hare Krishna. तबीयत ठीक है? This time I have requested our Nairobi important friends that now you take sannyas and become guru. Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked everyone to become guru. Amar Aggai Guru Haiya Taro Aidesh. He have come to Africa. Now become their guru and deliver them. Now how shall I do it? Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna bole. Simply speak, don't become very big or star. Simply speak what Krishna has done. You become it. Mushkil hai ustad. Krishna has said this. The meaning of this is this. As Krishna left the meaning to be declared or understood by some fools and rascals. This is God.
Sir, what is this? Yata pravruti bhutanam yena sarvam jantatam swakarmana tvam abhyacha siddhim vindatam.
That is Krishna consciousness.
Swakarmana.
Yes. You are doctor, you can serve Krishna.
Swese karmani abhirata siddhim.
Yes.
According to your,
this is perfection of life. That atapam vidija sreshta varnasama vibhagasa sanustitasya dharmasya samsiddhi haritosta. You may do whatever occupational duty you are, but you have to satisfy Krishna. Then everything is perfect. And if you satisfy your senses, then you are going to heaven. This is the point. Therefore it is sakarmana tamam bhaksha. Even that karma is abominable. Sadosham apinatta. You go on with your work, even there is some fault, it doesn't matter. But you satisfy Krishna. Then it is.
Swadharma.
Just Arjuna did. The fighting is not good business, but he satisfied Krishna. Therefore, by fighting, he became a great devotee. Sakarmana. He did not leave his position as a Kshatriya, as a Grihastha, but he, Karishye Vachananta, yes, in spite of my not being inclined to fight, because you are asking, I'll do it. This is Krishna.
आप बचाएंगे?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा हो जाए। हमको तो उधर वेट करना पड़ता है। You remain in your place, but you have your ears to hear Krishna. Then you will be better. What is the difficulty? You remain as doctor, you remain as a leader, you remain whatever you like. It doesn't matter. But engage your oral reception to the words of Krishna. Then you become perfect. What is the difficulty? Simply sit down and hear what Krishna says, Bhagavad Gita. That's all. And if you say, I shall simply hear and you do not act, no, you'll act. Because as you go on hearing, your heart will be purified, then you will be inclined to hear, act.
You will pay. You
I
will
was
fall
going
prey
to
to
ask
what
this
you
question,
hear.
but I was going to ask this question. but
Yes, Sillatang Sagata Krishna Punna Savana. Because by hearing Krishna, he will be purified. Punna Savana. Simply by hearing, he will be pious. And as soon as you become pious, then you can understand Krishna. Jisam tu antagatam papam, jananam. But nobody will come here. They will go to the restaurant, club, playing cards. Nobody will come. We are opening so many centers that the rascals may come and hear and become pious. That will also not do. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu regretted that. Itadrishi tabu kripa bhagavan mamapi. Duddhaiva idrisam yaha jamina. Now, you have done so much favor to us. I am so unfortunate that I have no desire to hear you. सब काम में टाइम होगा और भगवान की जो कथा है उसको सुनने में इसका टाइम बस सो मच अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन खुशामदी करो Chaitanya, one of the disciples of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhupada Saraswati, he has taught us. Dante nidhaya tilakam padayo nipatya kakusatang kritva chahanga prabhuvi he sadhava sakalameva vihaya dura Chaitanya chanda charane gurudana. This is our point. What is that? The Indian system of becoming humble is to take a straw in the mouth. पहले था आजकल भूल गया दंते निधाय तिलकम so I am taking a grass in my mouth and padayunivata I am falling down your lotus feet and kritya cha kakusatam and flattering you 100 times I am submitting. So any man will agree, all right, say. So as soon as you give me the chance, then I say what I say. Hey Sadhava, you are a very great personality, Sadhu. Then, what do you want? Now, Sakalami, whatever nonsense you have learned, please forget. Whatever nonsense, rascal down, you have learned, please forget. Then what shall I do? Guru Chaitanya Chanda Charane Anurag. This is our teaching.
Don't
First
forget
of all, we shall...
architecture. I tell him, don't forget architecture. That is important just now. Forget other things.
This is the process. First of all, flatter him. When he agrees, please tell me.
How he became this.
Yeah. Our submission is that forget all rascal. Whatever you have done. because you do not know what is knowledge. You have simply learnt all rascaldom. So please forget. This is what it is.